Hi there guys, my name is Daddy Kabuiku. I've been in martial art for a long time and before deciding to change martial art and basically to start training with someone, I had to find the right person, somebody who has the right philosophy, which means that martial art is not only about learning techniques, it's also about defending some colors. You need, in order to be able to achieve something, somebody to provide you with the knowledge, somebody who finds the words, because sometimes you try things, it doesn't really work out, but that person just finds the right way to help you learning the right stuff. And since I started with Steve, we're talking about August last year, I would gladly say that the teaching is sinking. Since I started with my first competition, I just count competition by victory or medals. So I do think that if you want to achieve something, if you want, in certain cases, to be, I would say, sure of yourself because you need it, you want to learn how to defend yourself, or if you just want to have a fun, a laugh with other guys, that's the right place to be. I do believe that Steve finds the ways. He has developed psychology, so he knows how to talk to people. And basically, sky's the limit. It depends on you guys. Hope you see you soon.